In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing on the Digistore24 affiliate network using YouTube ads. Now, this method is 100% unique and has never been done on YouTube before. This is not a basic strategy that you can find on YouTube, and we're not going to be posting TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, or anything like that. I'm going to show you a unique method on how to promote high converting offers on Digistore24 using YouTube ads. Now, don't worry, you don't have to record any of the ads yourself or even record your voice, because the ads that we're going to be using are going to be directly given to us by Digistore24, and not many people know about this. So you may want to stick with me all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, obviously, you're going to need a small budget to get started with this method. Let's say $10, $25, or even $50. It's completely up to you guys. I'm just going to show you what works and how the top 1% of affiliate marketers on Digistore are killing it with YouTube ads. Now, unlike other YouTubers, I actually do what I teach. I use YouTube ads every single day to promote affiliate offers, to promote my YouTube channel and my brand. So I have 3 years of experience with paid ads on YouTube. So the strategies that I teach in my videos, I actually use them every single day myself. So I actually do what I teach. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. And before we get started, make sure to smash the like button below in appreciation and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to create awesome content just like this for you and test out new strategies just like this. So without further ado, let's dive into my computer. Alright, so the first step is obviously to create a free account with Digistore24. This is an affiliate marketing network, one of my personal favorites. They have very good high quality products and they convert like crazy if you know how to promote them. So guys, create a free account right now. It's 100% for free, and I'm gonna log in and go into the marketplace to show you how to pick an offer and where to steal the ad creatives. So once you have a free account and you're in the affiliate marketplace, you should see something like this. And as you can see, there's 669 different offers on the marketplace right now. And on the left side, you can see all the niches. So really guys, Digistore24 has a lot of options, whether that's niches and products. But what I like to do is I like to sort these by the sales rank, and this gives me an idea of what products are working on Digistore24 like right now. So when you sort these by sales rank and you scroll down, you can see that there are products in all the niches, right? So this is the keto niche, this is a YouTube mastery course, right? So this is the digital marketing niche, then this is a home doctor, some type of health product, and all of these products are performing the best on Digistore24 right now. So we want to promote these products. So right off the bat, I can see a product called the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. So I have promoted this product in the past, and it's a great product and it converts like crazy because you have the ability to give away a free keto meal plan, right? They give you all the resources and then you just wait and sit back, and the marketing team closes all the sales for you. And as you can see, the average earnings right per conversion is $28. Now stick with me, because right now I'm going to show you where to find the YouTube ad creative. So when you click on affiliate support page, when you click on this big orange button, enter your email address, your name, all right, just like that. And on this page, you have access to all the resources, right? So you have the, let's scroll down, right? This is how the funnel works. This is the funnel, right? So this is your landing page, and this is where your leads go after they submit their email on your landing page, right? They have a $1 trial, and there's a rebill of $29 after 7 days. So all you have to do is give away the free keto meal plan. Now guys, for this strategy, you need a sales funnel, right? You need a landing page, and you need a email sequence, a confirmation email to give away the ebook. So click up here, and in my previous video, I show you guys how to create a sales funnel exactly around this product. So you can directly copy and paste everything I'm doing in that video and use it in this strategy, and use that exact sales funnel for this strategy. So make sure to click the link up here to check out my latest video on how to create a sales funnel around this product. And when you scroll down, right, this is the email that I used in my latest video. I basically show you exactly step by step how to create a funnel with this product. And when you scroll down, you can see send traffic to your landing page, right? Once you have your landing page, once you have your emails, now it's time to send traffic. So you can use YouTube ads, right? Facebook ads, Google search ads, or your own traffic. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run YouTube ads directly to your landing page and get a bunch of sales. So when you click on I want to run YouTube ads, right, you can see all of these steps. So yes, I have created a landing page where people can sign up for the free keto recipes. So I personally have done that in my previous video. Once again, make sure to check it out. So I've connected my email program. Yes, I have done that. And I understand that the offer is a $1 trial and most commissions will arrive after 7 days. All right, yes, I understand. So once again, there's a $1 free trial, and after 7 days, it's a $29 rebill. So once we get our leads, right, after 7 days, it should be converting. So yes, I understand. Show me the Facebook materials. I mean, this is the YouTube materials, obviously. So first of all, download your YouTube ad creatives. As I said at the beginning, you don't have to record your face or your voice. So when you click here to download, right, new window is going to pop up, and in the Google Drive folder, these are the YouTube ads. So when you open it up just like this, and you can click on play, right, so keto patients. And as you can see at the end of the video, there's a call to action, free keto cookbook below. So we need to download this video, one of these three, it's up to you guys. I'm just going to download the first one, just like this. Click on download. All right, there it is. I'm going to save it to my desktop. So as you can see, guys, all our creatives have been split tested dozens of times and are proven to work. So make sure to download one of those ads and upload it to your YouTube channel. So in order to run YouTube ads, you must first upload your ads to YouTube. Right, sounds logical, right? Just create a new account or use your existing one and upload the videos under not listed. So now that we have the offer, right, we have the sales funnel and we have the YouTube ad creatives, now it's time to create the actual audiences. Before we do that, I want to upload the video to YouTube. So head over to YouTube, click on this little icon, click on upload video, and drag your video to this little column and select files. And this is my free recipes ads, right? So I'm going to upload it and I'll be back with you in just a second. All right, so as you can see, our video is successfully uploaded and the visibility must be to unlisted, and make sure the monetization is switched off. So now that we have this video uploaded, now it's time to go to the next step. So go back to Digistore24. So now it's time to go to step number 3, and that is to create your audience in the campaign creator. Now, just to show you guys what I meant by the landing page, this is what we have created in the previous video. So download your free keto cookbook. So whenever somebody comes to this page, enters their name and email address, they're going to be sent to the actual sales page, right? To the sales page of the offer, and they're going to be sent the ebook to their email address. And that's all we have to do is create this landing page and connect it with the email. So this is a landing page that we have created, and this is the email. So when you go to keto meal plan campaigns, this is the email that we have created in the latest video. So make sure to watch that and make sure to follow all the steps. So now it's time to create the actual YouTube ads campaign. So head over to Google Ads and create a brand new account, and make sure to deposit at least $10 or $20 or whatever your budget is for this method. And now let's follow the basic steps, right? So as you can see, targeting options number 1, and we have targeting options number 2 and targeting options number 3. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to target the option number 1, which is custom audience keto recipes. So first of all, go to the top bar navigation and click on tools and settings. So we're going to do that. Click on tools and settings and click on audience manager. So as you can see, I have already created a custom audience on the keto recipes, but I'm going to do it once again just for you guys. So click on this little blue icon, create an audience, and you want to name this keto recipes audience or something like this, so you know, guys. Now go back, right? And now you can see keto recipes custom audience. We have done that. And now choose people who search for any of these search terms, keto recipes. So now you want to click on custom segments, right, on this, and now create a new custom segment and name this also keto recipes segment, right? We can do this #1 so we know, guys, just like this. And now what you have to do is people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, and that is keto recipes, right? So as you can see, people who search for any of these search terms on Google. All right, the second option, and you want to paste keto recipes. Excuse me, keto recipes, just like this. All right, press enter. Now, as you can see, we have weekly impressions 5 to 10 billion, 61% female, and ages between 25 and 34. So now we want to click on save, right? And now you want to scroll down and click on save. So congrats, you have your first custom audience with your segment. Now go back to Digistore24 and you want to scroll down. So we are not going to be doing the second option or the third option. So now it's time to create your ads. So when you create your new YouTube ads, we want to create so-called pre-roll ads. So these are the typical ads you see before each video that you can skip after 5 seconds. And this type of ad works best for this offer. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Right, so go down. So this is how it works. In your Google Ads dashboard under campaigns, click on the big plus icon. So head over to Google Ads once again, head over to the overview tab, and you can click on brand new campaign. So we're going to be using a sales campaign. Click on continue and a video. So exactly what they say here. So video, so sales, and then video as your campaign goal, and click on continue. So click on continue, and now we want to give this campaign a name. So I'm going to give it a name of Keto Recipes Campaign. So now scroll down, and the bid strategy, this is up to you guys, but I like to keep it to maximize conversions, and I like to have a total budget of, let's just say, $50, right? And now this is the start date, which is tomorrow, and we can do end date in 2 weeks. So we're going to spend $3.30 every single day for 15 days. So when you scroll down, you can see the networks, right? So let's check out what they recommend. So add your campaign name, bid, and budget per your liking. So we have done that. And for locations, please target USA, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and Canada. So that's what we're going to do right now. So for the locations, you want to do enter another location, and we're going to do United States. We're going to do United Kingdom. We're going to do New Zealand, Canada, and Australia. So these are what they recommend. Australia, just like that. All right, perfect. So let's go back and let's see. So for languages, please choose English. So let's scroll down. We have English. Now let's read. So for content exclusions, ad extensions, product feed, and additional settings, leave everything as is, no changes needed. So right, so this is content exclusions, nothing there, ad extensions, and additional settings. So for the ad group name, give your new ad group a name. So for example, ad group 1. So we can do this, right, just as they recommend, just like that. And now you want to scroll down, and once again, now you have to decide if you want to use or previously created targeting 1, 2, or 3. So if you have decided for targeting 1 or 2, which is our case, right? So we choose targeting 1 option. So open the drop down menu and audience segments, click in the search bar of the custom segments, right? So go back to YouTube ads, Google ads. Now for the audience segments, click on add or create custom segments, right? Click on this, and now you can click on browse, and now click on the audience that we have created. So for this video, we have created a keto recipe segment 1, right? And now click on save. And as you can see, our available impressions changed to 12 billion, so it went a bit down. So now we have the audience segments, and we're going to be targeting people who search for the search term. Let me show you guys. People who search for the search term keto recipes online. So we're targeting these people. So we can cancel this. We can close this. So we have targeted the keto recipes segment that we have created just a few minutes ago, right? So now we can scroll down. So you have done, skip all other settings like content, keywords, etc, and go to new video ad. All right, so let's do that. New video ad. So let's scroll down. We can leave this. All right, and this is your YouTube video ad. So search for a video or paste the URL from your YouTube. So we're going to do that. I'm going to copy the video that we have uploaded, just like this. Perfect. Insert the link of your uploaded not listed YouTube ad. Your ad must be uploaded to YouTube, not Vimeo, Vista, or anything else. All right. So insert your landing page. Make sure to use the correct format, HTTP or HTTPS, and don't insert the affiliate link. So we have done that in the previous video, right? So this is my landing page link. So I can copy this, as you can see, HTTPS damienbelak.com. I can enter inside here. So this is the final URL. And once again, whenever somebody comes to this page, enters their details and clicks on get the book, they're going to be redirected to the sales page, which is my affiliate link, and the ebook is going to be sent to them, right? So we're going to be making commissions and collecting leads. So go back to Google Ads, and now for the, let's see, insert all headlines and other details according to this screenshot. So this is what we're going to do. So final URL, display URL, all right? So this is the call to action, which is download. All right, just like this. The headline is 21 keto recipes. All right. Now for the long headline, we can do something like download the, like this, 21 keto recipes cookbook. All right, just like that. For the description, we can do get your keto recipes cookbook for free now. Or you can do something like download your keto recipes cookbook for free now. So the call to action is download. The headline is 21 keto recipes. The long headline is download the 21 keto recipes cookbook. And the description is download your keto recipes cookbook for free now. So now you can click on auto generate using your channel banner, which is recommended. So the companion banner, computers only, right? So they're doing that as well. And the ad name is ad #1. We can do that, for example. Now you can scroll down, click on save, and you're done. Now you can submit your campaign and start making sales. So congratulations, you have created your very first YouTube ads campaign. And now all you have to do is click on create campaign and wait for it to get accepted. It should take under 24 hours or something like that. And this is your estimated performance. So based on your targeting settings and total campaign budget of $50, you can get impressions from 3 to 9,000 impressions. So for $50, you're gonna get anywhere between 3 to 9,000 impressions, which is more than enough to get downloads, leads, and sales. So guys, as you can see, this is not rocket science. This is how you create a YouTube ads campaign with the targeting information from the actual Digistore24 offer. And this stuff works because they want affiliates to make as much money because they're making money. So they're going to give us access to these YouTube ad creatives so we can use them, right? So as long as we're making money, they're making money as well. So this means that it's a win-win situation for both us and the product creator. So guys, this is not rocket science. This stuff works. This is how most people are making money with YouTube ads and Digistore24 offers. Now, obviously, you're not going to be making sales overnight. And as I said, this product has a $1 free trial. And then after 7 days, it's $29. So it's going to take a while for you to see sales. But guys, this is a great strategy to test out. You can even do the other targeting information. For example, we have tried this first one. So custom audience is keto recipes, but you can also do the second option, which is keto meal plan. And as you can see, this is a different type of campaign, a bit more in detail, but it's basically all the same, just copy and paste. So I hope you found massive value in this video. And if you want me to actually go out there and publish this campaign live and share my personal results with you, then please let me know below. Make sure to comment. And once again, if you found value in this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to join my affiliate escape plan waiting list because we are launching on September 24. This is my very first course with coaching. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to click the first link below this video. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next one.